Something's delivered from FoodPanda. And it's not only food, but it is love. A merchandise of love. Maypa ang FoodPanda love ko nila. Without seriously, thank you so much FoodPanda for this love wins or pride or rainbow merchandise that you're sending. Thank you so much. And yes, you deliver love and more. And I also have a love from Pillows Hotel Cafe through FoodPanda. Of course, order the food you love through FoodPanda. Added that they have this promo code right now, KAONTA. This code entitles new FoodPanda users to 100 pesos off in their first order, with a minimum order of 200 pesos, valid until July 31, 2020. And the code is only applicable in Metro Cebu. So what I'm having here is their baby back ribs, their spam fries, nga nakuha na because gigutom ko, nasuya ko sa spam, their ham and egg sandwich, and I'm trying their famous sushi balls. Okay, I'm trying their cheesy kani and spicy tuna. And of course, their Crema de Manga cup. You might be wondering why I have all this food from Pillows Hotel and through FoodPanda. Because I'll be having a FoodPanda mukbang with Daniel Naharo. It will be up in her YouTube channel soon, so I'll just drop her link below for you to subscribe and wait for our vlog to be uploaded. So while waiting for our vlog to be uploaded, order the food you love through FoodPanda again with the promo code KAONTA. That's KAONTA. That's it. Enjoy eating, guys. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. And stay safe and just keep smiling. Bye-bye.